that negativity and anything that's stopping your growth. The space that you create inside you and the space that you live in, your home, should have a reflection, should have all these elements that helps you upcycle your lifestyle. So let's start with the self-care tip 1. I pick up my favorite glass right in the morning and at the end of the night with a cockatoo in sight. And what it does, it reminds me that water cannot be replaced. Yes, hydration is extremely important, and it is something that can set your mood all the time and bring yourself into calmness. So hydrate yourself. Self-care tip 2. Now that we are in the work from home space, it's important to have those elements that make you feel collected, that make you feel, you know what, it's going to be fine, even if there are a lot of demands right, left and center at your own place. So having something which has a personal touch, like the cover in your laptop or the table that you're working on, the colors that you include around you are beautiful and can really help you, feel that calmness, that peacefulness that we need while we're working very hard. Self-care tip 3, this is something that I practice very regularly, is I bring gifts to myself. I gift myself something or the other to give me that validation that, you've been working really hard and you've been, putting in so that effort and energy into other people's life and your life. So I gifted myself these roses recently. Moving ahead, the next self-care tip is having your own space. A corner which is truly yours, and you can just sit back and forget all those analytical thoughts, those judgmental thoughts, and be in that reflective mood. Maybe read a couple of books or write your own journal. Then another fun self-care tip is doing DIY projects. Now you can really surprise yourself. This is one of the projects that I did, which is about lighting. Bringing the light in the dark tunnel, feeling that enlightenment is the joke that I crack when it comes to this. The DIY projects are so beautiful and so therapeutic. Another one of the things that you can add as a self-care tip in your own home is incense. And these days you have these lovely incense that's building your immunity, that's helping with your nervous system, releasing those stresses. So definitely include that. Then there is a lovely practice that I do, which is looking into the mirror. Now mirrors are something that helps you, make the home look big. But what you can really also do when it comes to your own wellness is you look into the mirror and see beyond the physicality. Have a conversation with yourself that what is missing, what is that I can add value to myself and others. And you will benefit from this practice, so I highly recommend it. Finally, one of the traditional ways of including wellness in your life is meditation. Now meditation doesn't need to be, overwhelming and intense. You start something very simple. You find your favorite mat and just ground yourself. Be one with the earth. And just simply, sit down and create that space inside you and outside you where there can be a constant, pure exchange of energy. And let the thoughts flow in and out. And I have this one beautiful mantra that I'd like to share with you, which is every inhalation is an opportunity and every exhalation is releasing something old. So you simply close your eyes, you breathe and you smile.